cell phone or a device is connected.
Boy, I'll tell you, that is a lot of numbers and a lot of calls unanswered. This was up to and including the night of the incident, August 4th. This is the defendant calling his ex-girlfriend, Rebecca, and she is not answering. So he shows up at the scene where they're working on a car, says, "Hey, boo, what's going on?" And then starts firing. Hey, Neama, before we wrap things up here, let me get your take on the defense. We're going to hear their opening, probably first thing tomorrow. How does that go?
I mean, they have to come up with something, and it's got to be self-defense, Michael. As you've pointed out, there's really no other way to argue this case. With this particular witness, I like the cell site, cell ping technology. That's something that the jurors love to hear. That type of expert witness testimony, and then of course the history of violence and the stalking, and really an ex-boyfriend who was obsessed with Rebecca. So tomorrow will be interesting to see what happens. You know, it's going to be a very challenging case for the reasons that you, Krista, and I have discussed. I can't see this going any other way but self-defense. So we'll see how they can possibly argue that tomorrow morning. It's going to be interesting to see what evidence, if any, that they present, if at all, after making that opening statement.
And the guy comes across just obsessed, you know, and maybe he takes the stand because what the heck, why not? Neama Rahmani, thank you, buddy, for being here. I appreciate you having your maiden voyage with me here, and I'm sure we'll have you back on the show. Appreciate it. Take care.
Michael, thanks for having me. Looking forward to the next one.
You bet. Okay, guys, that's going to do it. If you want to watch more of the trial, go to the YouTube channel, Law and Crime Daily, coming up next. See you next time. Do the right thing. Not that tough.